The Wall Street Pepe claim is live and trading is very volatile this morning. But if you're looking to trade or claim your Wall Street Pepe, it's a very simple process. You're going to click on Connect Wallet. And the same way that you connected your wallet to go out there and buy Wall Street Pepe is the same way that you're going to do to claim. You're going to take it. You're going to take your QR code scanner. You're going to scan the QR code that pops up on the screen right here. Now, once you get that scanned, you're simply going to click on Connect, and then your wallet is connected. And you can see that I have 2,741,000 Wall Street Pepe to claim right here. I can also stake it if I would like. So if you guys would like to claim and stake, click that button. If you just want to claim your Wall Street Pepe tokens, click here. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click that hyperlink text down there. And then from there, it says claim and stake. Claim WEPE. I am simply going to click on claim. I do not want to stake. Now you can see that it brings up another notification in the wallet here. I'm simply going to click on approve, and then of course type in my password and approve it. And then after I do that, claiming your WEPE tokens is in progress. Once the transaction completes, your tokens will be available in your wallet. So all I have to do is wait for that to take place there. And it could take a couple of seconds depending on how congested the network is this morning and all of that. But once this is done, I'm going to have those tokens in my wallet. Now, depending on what wallet you use, you may need to manually import the address into your wallet. Now, all you have to do there is copy the contract address, go up to the top right-hand side of the wallet, click import, and you're going to be good to go. My WEPE tokens have been claimed and they're available in my wallet. It is that easy, guys. Now, you can go out there, you can choose to trade your Wall Street Pepe, you can choose to hold your Wall Street Pepe, whatever you want to do. But I do want to show you this just real quick here. And if you don't have the token in your wallet, all you're going to do is click on the top right-hand side of the screen, those two little circles. And then, of course, you're going to click the plus sign at the top right-hand side of the screen again. And then you're going to paste the contract address. Now, you can either get this directly from the website, or I would get it directly from the website. It's the best place you're going to be able to get it. It's the correct one. And then click import. It is that easy. The token will be added to your wallet. So if you cannot see it once you claim your tokens, you may need to manually import it. Let me know what you guys think about it. And hopefully we all make a lot of money. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.